All right, guys. Number 1, chemists use the following formula to convert the number of molecules of a substance to its weight in grams. We've got this big formula here. Indium tin oxide is used to make screens touch sensitive. Has a molecular weight of 313.53 grams. Avogadro's constant is approximately equal to 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd. Find the number of molecules of 2 kilograms of indium tin oxide. Write your answer in the form A times 10 to the K, where A is less than 10, greater than 0, and K belongs to the set of integers. So before I start, I am going to highlight some of these things in our formulas here. All right. We've got the number of molecules. We've got Avogadro's constant. We've got the molecular weight. And we've got the weight in grams. All right. So now let's see, what do we know? We have a molecular weight. So I'm going to do it in green of 313. We have Avogadro's constant. Is that? We have the weight in grams, 2 kilograms, and we are trying to find the number of molecules. All right. First things first that we got to talk about is 2 kilograms, but we want it to be in grams. So 2 kilograms in grams is 2,000. All right. So now let's plug in everything that we know. Okay. So we're trying to find the number of molecules. So let's call that X. We've got 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd. We're multiplying it by our molecular weight, 313.53, and that equals our 2,000 grams. All right. What I see is 2 fractions being multiplied. All right. So I'm going to multiply across. So I have 313.53x over 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd is equal to 2,000. And I'm going to put that over 1 too so that we can cross multiply. So I get 313.53x is equal to 2,000 times 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd. And I get 1.2046. Remember that little e is like times 10 to the 27th power. And we'll divide both sides by 313. Divide that by 313.53. And we get 3.842056582 times 10 to the 24. We want our answer in scientific notation. That's what all of that means. And it did not tell us how to round, so that means we're going to do 3 significant figures. So 3.84 is going to stay 3.84 times 10 to the 24. And we were finding how many molecules. Okay, if the company only manages to make 3,942 computers with the indium tin oxide, what's the percentage error? Oh, okay, well, percentage error is, remember, that's in our formula book. All right, so take a second, find it in your formula book. But we're going to find that the percent error is equal to the absolute value of the, the approximate value minus the exact value divided by the exact value times 100. All right, so here's the exact, here's the approximate. So we've got our percent error is equal to 3,942 minus 4,000 divided by, oh, I did that backwards. We want the approximate, the 4,000 first, minus the exact. And I'm going to put that all right into my calculator. Oh, and I want that to be an actual number, so I'm going to do 2,900 divided by 1971. And I'm going to round that to be 3 sig figs, so 1.47% error. Okay, up next, the diagram shows the locations of 5 sisters. Part A, find the coordinates of the midpoint. Okay, again, midpoint is in our formula book. All right, and our formula for it is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So if we're looking for Hannah and Marissa, here's Marissa at the point 4, 1. Here's Hannah at the point -2, 3. So we've got -2 plus 4 over 2 and 3 plus 1 over 2 means our midpoint's at 1, 2. Up next, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. All right, so remember, for an equation of a line, we need our 1 point and we need the slope of the line. All right, well, we've got the point 1, 2, but now we need the perpendicular slope. So let's find the regular slope. And we've got 3 minus 1 over -2 minus 4 is 2 over -6, or -1/3. So it means the slope of the perpendicular is a positive 3 over 1, or just 3. And now we plug everything in. So it's going to be y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x minus 1. And it did not tell us how we wanted to answer it, so that's good enough.